Interestingly, in the state of North Carolina, if someone steals your spouse, if they woo them away from you, have sex with your spouse, and it causes the breakup of your marriage, you can sue the third party for what's called alienation of affection and criminal conversation. The two don't have to go together as claims against the third party. However, very often, because of the reality of the circumstances, they do go together. Let's break them down, though. Alienation of affection by itself is you saying that this third party alienated the affections of your spouse from you. Criminal conversation, on the other hand, is old world terminology for talking that shouldn't have occurred. Sex. These claims can be brought in tandem together within a complaint, a lawsuit against the third party for alienation of affection and criminal conversation. Or in the alternative, you could of course bring a complaint for just alienation of affection if it was appropriate. But let's talk about the realities of these claims as well. Obviously, if you're going to make these claims against a third party, you need to have good evidence for the jury that can prove your case in this regard. The case law tells us that the best cases, the cases where a high award has been rendered by the jury, are where there's a long-term marriage, where there are young children, and where the third party repeatedly engaged in provoking and attempting to steal the spouse, thereby ending the marriage. The fact of the matter is that we use potential claims such as this to leverage a case in terms of receiving more alimony or more property division from your spouse, as opposed to actually suing the third party. If you have any questions about whether you might have a viable claim for alienation of affection or criminal conversation, call us at Coggin Law.